Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of class 12th chapter 4 exercise 4.3 area of a triangle. As we know, we can find the area of triangle whenever sides are given, but now concept is when vertices are given. You know this figure is triangle, so you must have given 3 vertices. Suppose this is a triangle. We have taken this coordinate as x1 y1, x2 y2, and this one is x3 y3. Clear? Then the formula is equal to half of determinant. Firstly you will take first coordinate, then second, and then third one coordinates, but at the end you will always write 1 1 1. And in other words, by expansion you can write this also, but we have done this formula in 10th standard also. As you know, whenever we are expanding by c1, so x1 you know ki that element lies in first row and first column you will skip, so you will take the determinant of other one. Similarly for x2 you will leave this one and this one, y1 minus y3. In this manner you will find, but key to remember, since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of determinant. Means if you are getting your answer in negative form, you can't take it negative. Area can never be negative, so you will take positive absolute value. Next is, if area is given, use both positive and negative values for the determinant for calculation. Means whenever area is given, then you will take with that is given to you. Clear? Why I am saying? Because you know you have taken area as a positive value, however it can be negative. So for this, when area is given, you will take with the positive and negative value. Third is, the area of triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. You know collinear. Collinear means which lie on a same line. अगर 3 पॉइंट मिल के एक लाइन बना रहे हैं, इट मीन्स वो ट्राइंगल तो क्रिएट कर ही नहीं पा रहे. अगर ट्राइंगल बन ही नहीं रहा तो उसका एरिया क्या होएगा? ऑब्वियस है, एरिया इज 0. Clear? Whenever 3 points are collinear, collinear means they are making a single line. So triangle is not constructed, so area of triangle is 0. Next is, we are discussing the examples based on this formula. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are given to you. Yes, area of triangle you know, half, first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, at the end in last column you will take 1 1 1. Now you will expand 1 by 2, you will keep down. Yes, I have written down, but now I expand by r1. You know how to expand. Whenever I am taking 2, you will not take these elements, you will take this one, 1 minus 8. Then next element you have taken, you know positive, negative, positive. You know na? This I discussed in my previous video, determinant, how to find. Minus 7. Then you will take that determinant. 7 is lying in this one, so you will leave. So 1 into 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10. Then with the third element, positive, negative, positive here also 1. 8 minus 10. Yes. Now you will multiply, it will become minus 7 into 2 minus 14, minus 9 into minus 7 plus 63, plus minus minus 2, minus minus plus minus 16 plus 63. Whenever you will subtract 47 by 2 square units. Next is, find the area of triangle whose vertices are. Now you have to find again as a area of triangle. Vertices are given to you. Then you will expand by any row or any column, it depends on you. I am doing by my first one. Yes, minus 2. Then you know you will do here, and then positive, negative, positive. Negative is already here, you will take negative, negative, positive. Then 3 plus 1, and with the third one element you will take. Then after solving you are getting minus 30 upon 2 minus 15. You know area is always positive quantity. Area is a positive quantity. So you will write 15 square units. Next is show that the points are collinear. Now you have to see कि points are collinear or not. You know whenever points will be collinear then area will be 0. So we will find the area of triangle firstly. If we got area of triangle after solvation 0, then you will say points are collinear. Now we put in formula half, first coordinate, then with the last one, and second, then third. Now I will expand. Yes, by expanding what are you getting? See here, half a I solved through. Yes, then I will firstly multiply it inside, and here also use C, negative sign, negative, positive, negative, and this is becoming identity a square minus b square. B square minus c square will become, but negative because of that plus c square become. Now ab plus b square minus c square plus minus minus ac. Whenever you will see c square plus and minus cancel, b square plus and minus ab, and plus ab minus ac plus ac, a square minus, all terms are cancelling. 0 into something is 0. Area of triangle is 0, it means your points are collinear. Next is find k if area of triangle is 4 square units whose vertices are these. It means you have to find k, but area is given here. You know area of triangle is 4, but in formula you will put is equal to positive and negative sign both. I told why, because area can be positive only, but it can be negative also. Yes, now 2 will become on that side 8. Now I expanded, I have seen कि 2 zeros are here, so I expanded by C1 minus 2, then you will skip these 4 minus k minus 0, then you will take with any number, no problem, and with the 0 also, this is also 0, then it will become 0, it becomes also 0, minus 8 minus minus plus 2k plus minus 8. Firstly I kept with the positive, then I kept this with the negative. You got two values here, k, 0 and 8. It can be anything. Next one is find equation of a line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. आपको क्या पता करनी है? लाइन की इक्वेशन जिसमें 2 कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन है, और इक्वेशन पता करनी है. अगर आपको पता है कि इक्वेशन फाइंड करनी है तो उसमें कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो होंगे, एक्स वाई मीन्स वेरिएबल, और आपको गिवन है कि डिटर्मिनेंट रूल लगाना है. तो हमने पी एक्स वाई खुद कोऑर्डिनेट ले लिया जो ए बी लाइन पे लाई कर रहा है. अब कितने पॉइंट्स हो गए आपके पास? 3. ए पी बी, दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, पी आई हैव टेकन. वाई आई हैव रिटन की एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज 0. वेरी गुड, येस, बिकॉज दिस इज अ लाइन. अगर वो लाइन है, तीनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिलके ट्राइंगल बना ही नहीं रहे, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हम क्या लिखेंगे? 0. बट इट इज़ गिवन कि डिटर्मिनेंट रूल लगाना है, और आपने वो ले लिया हाफ, फर्स्ट 1, 2, 3, 6 एक्स वाई, 1, 1, 1 दैट विल कीप सेम इज इक्वल टू 0. देन हाफ kept same, so I expanded by C1. Yes, note I expanded by R1 here. Clear? Firstly 1 I kept, 6 minus y minus 2, 3 minus x plus 1, 3y minus 6x equal to 0. No problem, you can expand by C1 also. x1 y1 means which equation या which row या column you want, you can. Answer will be unique. Now you know 2 into 0 is 0, no problem. I multiplied it inside. Signs will be altered if two signs when we multiply. You are getting this as a equation. So I hope you are getting what is here. You have to find equation. Equation means two variables will be there. You know In class +1 we know y is equal to mx. This is the equation of a line.